Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. When it comes to evaluating a PC case, there are two critical factors to consider: airflow and noise containment. NZXT's latest tower, the H7 Flow, leans heavily into the first of these, as its name suggests, but it brings more than just excellent ventilation to the table. The case features striking perforated panels that not only enhance airflow but also give the chassis a premium, high-quality appearance. The fit and finish are top-notch, and NZXT includes 3 highly effective intake fans while keeping the MSRP at a reasonable $129.99. In our testing, the H7 Flow delivered impressive thermal performance, earning high marks for keeping components cool under load. This mid-tower is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a modern yet classic design in 2024. Cable management is intuitive, making it easy to route and hide wires for a clean, polished build. For those interested in liquid cooling, the H7 Flow is very well equipped, with room for 1 or even 2 large radiators. Its versatile design supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. Additional specifications include 7 PCI expansion slots, tempered glass side panels, and front panel connectivity featuring 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and HD audio. The case accommodates up to 410mm GPU length, 185mm CPU cooler height, and 270mm power supply length, all mounted at the bottom for stability. Overall, at 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and weighing 24.3 pounds, the H7 Flow blends style, function, and thermal efficiency into a standout package for enthusiasts and builders alike. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. What if a PC case could be a DIY project in itself, even before you install any hardware? That's exactly the concept behind the clever Qube 500, a chassis designed to let you IKEA your way to a compact, functional PC. Its playful, colorful aesthetic makes it immediately appealing, while the sturdy construction ensures it's more than just a fun novelty. Despite its cheerful design, the Qube 500 can accommodate full ATX motherboards and standard-size power supplies, making it a surprisingly versatile case for its size. For builders on a budget, it delivers above-average value while offering a unique hands-on experience. The Qube 500's assemble-it-yourself approach makes it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts or even as a memorable family project. Swappable face panels allow you to change the look whenever inspiration strikes, so your rig can evolve with your tastes. Beyond aesthetics, the case performs well for its category, supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, 7 PCI expansion slots, and multiple storage options, including 4 internal 3.5-inch bays and 3 2.5-inch bays. The front panel includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio for convenient connectivity. Cooling is supported with 3 fan positions, 120mm or 140mm, and 1 included fan, while the case can handle GPUs up to 368mm, CPU coolers up to 175mm, and power supplies up to 215mm mounted at the bottom. The Qube 500 measures 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches, weighs 17 pounds, and offers a tempered glass side panel for a clear view of your build. Fun, practical, and customizable, it's a case that combines hands-on enjoyment with real-world performance. Number 3. InWin A3. We often use the phrase punching above your weight class to describe someone performing beyond expectations, but what about a PC case? The InWin A3 embodies that idea perfectly. Though it's a Micro ATX chassis, the A3 is slightly larger than the typical case in this category, and that extra space delivers a surprisingly big payoff. Pair that with InWin's signature styling and distinctive, modern aesthetic, and you have a compact case that stands out both visually and functionally. For compact PC enthusiasts who want performance without compromise, the A3 is a compelling choice. Micro-ATX often occupies a curious middle ground, overlooked by some serious builders, yet it remains one of the best values in motherboard lines. The A3 lets builders take full advantage of that balance, providing ample room for components while still saving desk or floor space. It supports Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards and includes 4 PCI expansion slots, accommodating a wide range of setups. Storage is well handled with 2 internal 3.5-inch bays and 3 2.5-inch bays, while front panel connectivity is modern and convenient with 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, and HD audio. Cooling options are generous for its size, with 5 fan positions and 1 included fan, plus support for GPUs up to 340mm and CPU coolers up to 162mm. The power supply mounts at the top and can extend up to 200mm. A tempered glass side window displays the build, and the included addressable RGB fan adds a touch of flair. Measuring 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing just 11.6 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3 offers compact performance that truly punches above its weight. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. This green chassis might just save you some green in more ways than one. The View 270 ARGB delivers a suite of features typically reserved for higher-end cases, all at a budget-friendly price point. With support for USB Type-C, wraparound tempered glass, 3 included ARGB fans, and dust filters at every fan location, this case punches far above its weight. It earned our Editor's Choice Award for offering exceptional value, combining practicality with eye-catching design. The pistachio green finish of our test model stands out in a crowded market, though View also offers alternatives like crisp white or a vibrant hydrangea blue for those seeking something different. Dubbed a green giant, the View 270TG is an excellent ATX case for gaming system builders who want a premium-looking chassis without overspending, leaving more budget for high-performance components. Despite its affordable price, it feels and performs like a much more expensive model. The case supports eATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, with 7 PCI expansion slots and generous storage options, including 2 3.5-inch and 2 2.5-inch bays. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and HD audio. Cooling potential is strong, with 6 fan positions, 3 included 120mm to 200mm fans, and a maximum GPU length of 428mm. It accommodates CPU coolers up to 180mm and power supplies up to 280mm, mounted at the bottom. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing 14 pounds, the View 270 ARGB combines value, style, and thermal performance in a package that makes budget builders feel like they spent big. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Lian Li's DAN A3-mATX is the result of a design collaboration with DAN Cases, a well-respected German maker of compact PC chassis, and it shows attention to detail at every turn. While it's slightly larger than a true compact case, the A3-mATX remains modest in footprint and can accommodate a surprising amount of hardware, making it an ideal choice for builders who want plenty of capability without hogging desk space. Its balance of size, build quality, and features makes it a standout Micro-ATX case for 2024, earning our Editor's Choice Award for its well-rounded performance and value. The DAN A3-mATX isn't designed for extreme liquid-cooled setups or monster-sized graphics cards. Instead, it excels as a general-purpose build platform. For best results, it's recommended to pair it with Lian Li's solid side panel, since the case doesn't include advanced cable management features. This is a build that prioritizes substance over flash, offering reliability and practicality in a clean, no-nonsense design. Despite its simplicity, it's difficult to find a more versatile Micro-ATX case at a similar price point. The case supports Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, 4 PCI expansion slots, and multiple storage options, including 1 3.5-inch and 3 2.5-inch bays. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio. Cooling is supported with 4 fan positions, and the chassis can accommodate GPUs up to 425mm and CPU coolers up to 165mm. It supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies mounted at the front. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing 10.8 pounds, the DAN A3-mATX is a practical, well-built, and budget-conscious option for compact PC builders.